7. 0.
Resita. 26 GB 49.
Tara.
Resita.
Sekarang kayo.
Good morning everyone. First project, Network Development Program, Construction of Bypass and Diversion Roads, Barangay Albinda, Mutia, Poblacion, Serios Minya Senior Road, Barangay Teresita Section, with the station of 3 plus 485 up to 3 plus 515.84. So this is the main scope of work is construction of bridge. So the bridge has a length of 30.84 linear meters with a foundation of spread footing, and this bridge is an SQ bridge with 40 degrees with against the bank. Kung may lain history. So the dimension of the spread footing is 11 meters by 6 meters, then with a thickness of 1.4 meters. Then with a column height of 7 meters and a diameter of 1.5. So the scope of work is we have item 102, which is the roadway excavation. Then wala tayo PCCP, so excavation lang siya. Then proceed ta sa bridge construction. So ang bridge construction, we have item for steel sheet piles, furnished and driven. Then railing, concrete railing. We include also the structural steel erected and structural steel furnished fabricated, which is used for craneway. Then followed by reinforcing steel grade 40 and grade 60 for the whole structure of the bridge, and also the structural concrete 20.68 megapascal and 27.58 megapascal. Then the pre-stressed structural concrete members, which is the girder type 4B, 30 meters in length. Then land concrete for the footing, then elastomeric bearing pads and expansion joint. The next part is the drainage and slope protection structures. We have the grouted riprap for the slope protection at approach A and B. Then 508 handled rock embankment for the slope protection at abutment A and B, and also the concrete slope protection. Then last item is item 517, the drain pipe galvanized, which is used for the deck drain drainage. Then part H, seedlings, saplings for other programs. So since di man ta kasyo sa ato ang mo, that's all. The bridge complete siya, ma'am. Complete. Ang approach may delay. Ma'am? Project 2. Single span, sir, 30 meters. Project number 2, Bridge program, widening of permanent bridges, Dilawa Parallel Bridge along Dipolo Punta Dansolyan, Serios Minya. Zamboanga del Norte, Sur Boundary Road. This is the bridge has a length of 30.84 linear meters, single span, with a column of 1.2 in diameter and 5 meters in height, with a foundation of spread footing, 10.5 in length, 5 meters in width, and a thickness of 1.3. Scope of work is, we have approaches. At approach A, starting at station 1868 plus 760 up to 1868 plus 891.113 with a length of 131.113 linear meters. Then, followed by the bridge itself, 30.84. Then at approach B, starting at station 1868 plus 921.953 up to the end of approach 1869 plus 040 with a length of 118.047. So kani nga bridge normal lang siya, dili siya parehong isang ice cube. So sa part A, facilities for the engineer, we have field office, operation and maintenance of field office, then provision of 4x4 pickup service vehicle, operation and maintenance. Then we have item A132, provision of survey equipment for the assistant for the engineer. So kani siya Global Navigation Satellite System ni GNSS RTK. Isa ka base and isa ka set sa rover. Then progress photographs. Then sa part A, last item is provision of communication facility equipment for the engineer. Mobile phone. 2 units mobile phones. Then sa part B, permits and clearances, project billboard, safety and health program, traffic management, mobilization, demobilization. So part C, removal of trees, item 1035B, shoring, cribbing, and related works, used for copper damming, for the footing abutment A and B footing. Then embankment from roadway, embankment from barrow, subgrade preparation. Then followed by part D, which is the item 200, aggregate service course. Then part E, surface courses, the Portland cement concrete pavement, 15 meters thick, the shoulder. Then a PCCP of 0.28 meters thick, carriageway. Bridge construction, almost the same atong isa na ay sheet piles, furnace driven, for the foundation sa straw protection sa abutment, concrete railing, and also we provided structural steel erected and structural steel furnace fabricated for the craneway. Full na yung craneway, makatabog-tabog ang crane. Then reinforcing steel grade 40 and grade 60 for the whole structure ni. Also the structural concrete, which is the 20.68 megapascal and 27.58 megapascal. Then pressed structural concrete members type 4B girder, 30 meters in length. Plain concrete, elastomeric bearing pads, expansion joint. Sa part G, Grouted riprap class A for the slope protection at approach A and B. Handled rock embankment for abutment A and B. Then concrete slope protection. Then drain pipe galvanized. Used for the deck drainage. Last part, miscellaneous structures, seedlings, saplings, then thermoplastic pavement markings white, thermoplastic pavement markings yellow, and the last is item 6249 dito, single arm solar lead roadway lighting for kabuok. That's all. No? Proceed sa third project, Convergence and Special Support Program, Sustainable Infrastructure Project Alleviating Gaps, SIPAG, leading to major strategic public buildings, facilities, construction of no. One din siya. Delay. Convergence and Special Support Program, construction improvement of access roads leading to trades, industries, economic zones. Laya ko nabasa. Roads, Roll 8, Tubac, New Secure, Brigado, Barangay Road, connecting Provincial Road and El Paraiso in support of Abaca. The bridge has a length of 90.84 linear meters with a span of 3. Then ang foundation niya spread potting with a dimension of at abutment 11 by 5 by 1.4 meters in thickness. At pier 10 by 8 by 1.5 in thickness. So, proceed ta sa yung scope of works, which is kaninga bridge, partial bridge only. Kung mahimo na to. Sa bridge construction, proceed ta sa bridge construction, ang naatay structural steel sheet piles furnace and driven. Para ni siya sa atong slope protection sa abutment. Then, ang grade 40, para sa slope protection sa abutment A and B. Then, ang reinforcing steel for grade 60, for abutment A and B, pier 1 and 2 only. Not included superstructure, which is the deck slab, diaphragm, and sidewalk, and approach slab. The same siya sa structural concrete, 27.58 megapascal. Not included ang deck slab, diaphragm, and sidewalk, and also the approach slab. For the girder, Prestige structural concrete members, type 4B, we have 4 girders only. Good for span 1. Then, elastomeric bearing pad, forms and false work for the casting of columns. That's all. Partial construction. Upat ra ka girder, sir. Ibutang siya, ilan siya. Dili araman sir, lagay. Ambot lang, pero Ispanuan man sir, dili man siya maigo sa, dili man siya pabor sa kuhan. Ispanuan na nato ibutang. Kaya atong item sa girder, including launching and erection man. Oh. Wala. Wala yung diaphragm. Kira na guay? Oh. Pwede ra na, sa ako apon ma'am, pwede ra. Oo. Tal, dili man siya maabot sa ang maximum experience flood. Above man siya, dili man siya maabot. Huwag na ilinog, wala na dyan tayo Di man siya ma-disturb sa taas. Ug di nato i-launch, mag-utro ta sa atong PIT ma'am. Including launching and erection man ito Purin kaso ma-disturb siya. Wala dagway, di magkaabot ang baha sir. Og linog, bisag na i-diaphragm. Pwede sir, inig-implement ato lang change order o natay kakuhaan. Mag-provide tag diaphragm. Bisag sa diaphragm lang sa abutment lang. Ana na lang sir. Ito na lang i-change order. Mag-provide ta sir. Para sure. Maabtan pa. Provide lang ta sir. Ay, ang siguro ko na ako protection sa abutment sir ba kay mag-lance mong utag girder niya di pa ta ka drive sa kulang mong kayong kwarta. Proceed ta sa last ma'am. Ang last project, Convergence and Special Support Program, Sustainable Infrastructure Project, Alleviating Gaps, CPAG, leading to major strategic public buildings facilities, construction of Antonino Bridge, Barangay Antonino, Sergio Osmeña Senior, Zamboanga del Norte, with a station of 7+145 up to 7+180.84. So the bridge has a length of 35.84 linear meters. The foundation is spread footing also with a dimension of 11 by 6 by 1.4 in thickness, 1.4 meters, with a column of 7 meters in height and the diameter of 1.5 meters. So, naatay approaches. Beginning of project, beginning of approach A, station 7 plus 020 up to 7 plus 145 with a length of 125 linear meters, followed by the bridge with a length of 35.84 linear meters. Then approach B, 7 plus 180.84 up to 7 plus 240 with a length of 59.16 linear meters. The total project length is 220. So, ang part A niya, almost the same atong isa ka project. Field office for the engineer, operation and maintenance, provision of 4x4 pickup service vehicle, operation and maintenance, and provision of progress photographs. Sa part B, the same na siya. Part C, the same, almost the same sa other project. Naagya po siya bridge structure excavation, naa siya shoring, cribbing, and related works. For copper damming ni siya sa footing. Then embankment from roadway, subgrade preparation, part D item 200, part A naatay PCCP 150, then atong PCCP nga 23 meters thick. 23 ra. Ang width aning PCCP nato is 6.10. Pero atong shoulder, ang width sa shoulder is 1.5. Shoulder pave. Proceed ta sa part F, bridge construction, structural steel sheet piles furnished and driven, concrete railing. We have also structural steel erected, structural steel furnace fabricated, used for craneway. Reinforcing steel grade 40 and grade 60 for the whole structure of the bridge. And also the structural concrete 20.68 and 27.58 megapascal. Ang item 4061G presses structural concrete members type 5 na siya. Kay 35 meters man siya ang length niya, type 5. Then natay lean concrete for the footing, elastomeric bearing pads, expansion joint. Sa part G, grouted riprap for slope protection, unlead rock embankment, concrete slope protection, and also the drain pipe. Last part, miscellaneous structures. We have guardrails, metal beam in piece, then seedlings, thermoplastic pavement markings white, and thermoplastic pavement markings yellow. That's all.
Snack na eh.